Welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Well, the main story is clearly our developing rainstorm that is developing over the southeast and moving into the Northern Mid-Atlantic this morning. Currently, we have a strong upper level low that is starting to lift north from the Tennessee River Valley towards the Ohio Valley, and as a result, it's shifting the upper level winds that were remaining to the south of the Northern Mid-Atlantic through much of the day yesterday over the Northern Mid-Atlantic today. And as a result, we're getting basically this fire hose of moisture, tropical moisture, from the tropical Atlantic right into the New Jersey coast, which is producing rainfall rates of anywhere from a half an inch to an inch per hour in some cases. It is going to be a very impressive rainstorm. And not only do we have the tropical moisture, but we also have the remnants of what was Tropical Storm Nicole. Now, this disturbance that's left over from Nicole is going to move up along the coast, separate from the low pressure system that is over the North Carolina coast right now. As the second low moves up on Thursday night into Friday morning, that low pressure is going to produce very heavy rain and very strong winds. So this is what we can basically expect over the Northern Mid-Atlantic. Rainfall amounts will range anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of rain overall for most locations. Parts of eastern Long Island and eastern Connecticut will range anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. Most likely, most locations will average around 2 inches for the most part. There are going to be some locations, because of not only orographic lifting but also some heavy thunderstorms that can produce very heavy downpours, that can push rainfall totals over 7 inches. The current forecast from the HPC is suggesting that rainfall amounts could actually reach 9 inches of rain over parts of southwestern New Jersey and the Philadelphia metropolitan area. This is all dependent on where the embedded thunderstorms develop and how they set up. But basically what we have developing here is a very dynamic storm with a strong low-level jet stream, let's say about 850 millibars, with a speed around anywhere from 50 to 75 knots. Now you mix that wind down to the lower levels, and what you get is wind gusts throughout this storm, especially tonight into Friday morning, anywhere from 50 to as high as 80 miles per hour in some storms. Another threat is an isolated tornado or two. So this storm is very dangerous. It's going to produce a lot of damage, unfortunately, and potentially widespread flooding. Ironically, with all the drought talk that we've been having over the past couple of weeks, this type of rainfall will pretty much wipe the drought deficits out. So yeah, we'll get out of our drought, but we're going to do so in a rather destructive way. I'm expecting flash flooding, very strong winds again, and again, an isolated tornado or two is not out of the question. The good news is that once the storm leaves, the weekend looks excellent with high pressure for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday evening into Wednesday, we go through this all over again. Probably not as much rainfall, but we do have another upper level low, another low pressure system along the coast, and another threat for moderate to heavy rain once again. Thank you for choosing NYNJPA Weather as your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Have a great day.